Hey, it's Sly Seagull here. Where'd you even come from, bro? Today, we're gonna be fixing an iPhone 6s Plus. Right, Johnny? Let's get started. First, you're gonna need to grab your handy dandy toolbox. Then you're gonna grab a Johnny. Then you're gonna grab an iPhone 6s Plus, but make sure it's broken, okay? As you can see, it does not turn on. And we're gonna need to take the case off, right, Johnny? Okay, Johnny, now fix it. Johnny, no, Johnny, that's not how you fix a phone. Johnny, my iPhone 6s Plus. Ew. Thank God I got the screen protector. Right, Johnny? Okay, let's fix it. Bro, you gotta fix it first. You gotta take your plier and plier it. Johnny? Fine. Now, we're actually gonna fix it. See, gotta plier it. As you can see, the phone is fine. But we got to. A little damage on the bottom. Oh, that's why we gotta open up. Take out the battery. Now we're gonna plier the battery. Now, you see, we're gonna find the lens. Stupid phone. Give me the phone. We'll be right back. So now, take the phone. How was it fine? I don't know. Okay. It's not breaking. Okay, this is not being fixed. It didn't even crack. Oh, I think I got it. I might have achieved. Oh! Uh-oh. I cracked it. Hello there. Let him try. Okay, so now we have the phone a little damaged, but we're gonna. What? Let's keep watching. Look at that camera. Still in the place. Okay, so now, as you can see, we're going to fix this phone. Ready? Is it on your toe? Yeah. Oh, look at that damage. The ground shook, but the phone is still standing. Let's put an end to this phone. Oh my God. What is this phone made out of? Okay, wait. Now, we got the first layer of screen off. Okay, that's what I was aiming for. So now we can actually fix the phone. So we're gonna take this part, and there is your problem. There are no circuits going through this at all. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna clamp it. Okay, so now we have the circuit board taken out. I had to unscrew every single piece, and it was actually pretty hard. So, except for that one, I just ripped it. So we got this circuit board. Now your problem is, your problem is that when you fuck it. I'm done. Like this and share it with everyone you know. Blah 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 blah. Bye.